Hello, this is Winston here. I'm just going to introduce the Carnot cycle with relation to this processes that happen inside the piston of a car. So what the Carnot cycle is the most effective steam cycle possible. It is made up of two isothermic and two adiabatic processes. Now, how that compares to a, like say, two-stroke engine here, we will be discussing. So first step in a Carnot cycle is a isothermal expansion. So isothermal expansion, the system expands naturally without a change in temperature. So in relation to your piston there, that will be when the piston is in the initial top dead center position and the gas inside is starting to expand. The second step will be an adiabatic expansion where there is an expansion of gases, there's a change in volume, the pressure becomes lower, and the temperature becomes lower as well. And that will happen until the cylinder reaches bottom dead center position. Now, once the mechanical force of the car there is starting to exert its force inside the piston, that's when you start the third step in the Carnot cycle. Third step in the Carnot cycle is an isothermal compression. That compression here is started by applying work into the system. So the system doesn't change temperature yet, but the volume is starting to shrink. And finally, for the last step, we have an adiabatic compression. So that adiabatic compression occurs when the piston is already nearing the top dead center position. Again, that's due to the work applied by an external force to the system. The volume becomes lower while the pressure goes up and temperature goes up as well.